Kuccps has finally placed students in their respective institutions, and at this point, they are now required to download their Kuccps admission letters. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download your admission letter, and I'll be using Great Lakes University of Kisumu as an example. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, first, I met this post on Facebook, and Great Lakes has posted this link, which we need to use to download the very admission letter. And so I'll just click on this link, and it will open. And here you have to download the letter. You will enter the index number and then slash the year you sat for the exam, and then click on download letter. And by just doing that, we can see that the letter is ready for download, and here it is. And you can read through to just confirm that it is your letter. And after that, you can happily download it or print it. After you download the letter, there are other requirements that you need. You need to fill some forms, and those forms are already on their website. Again, when you are on the website under admissions, I need to move down and click on admissions downloads. And then here, this page will load. We have application forms that you need to download and fill, so that when you'll be joining, you will have these documents with you. So I'll take you through the process of downloading all the forms except the postgraduate form, unless you are doing a postgraduate course. So we are going to download all of them, and then the student will fill the forms and submit them during the admission day. After you have downloaded all the required forms, there is one thing you also need to download, and that is the fee structure. And so we move to admissions and then fee structure downloads, and we'll click on that link. And here we have different fee structures for different courses. So you will choose the course that you've been called to pursue. And in this case, it was Bachelor of Education. So we are going to click on that, and then we are going to download this fee structure. And once you've downloaded all these forms, you need to fill them again and submit them on the day of admission. So this is how you can be able to download the admission letter plus other required forms when you have been called to Great Lakes University. And other universities also have the same way of downloading the admission letters, and so you will follow the same process. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Book that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people who are searching for the same thing. Otherwise, if you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on, so that you are the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.